Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can copy the link of your Discord server, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to copy the link of your Discord server, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, I want you to go to the server for which you want to copy the link of. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to tap the server name at the top. And after tapping it, you will be directed to the server's profile. So here on your server's profile, I want you to tap the invite button right here. And after tapping it, there you go guys, you will now be able to see the copy link button, so just tap it to copy the link of your server. And then that's it guys, you have now copied the link of your server, so you can now paste and send it to anywhere you want. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.